Alright, welcome back. Another video. We're out for a ride today with my Jeep Defender out through the trail. We got it working now.
Oh!
Come on. Like the snow has no traction, so I think I'm gonna be screwed by now. Come on. Here we go. Yes, yes. There we go. Oh no! It's a good thing that this is waterproof.
Mm-hmm.
I can take it to the snow if I want. Oh, it's just hitting the toe hinge, but that's... But that's... Don't fall. Okay. That did fall so bad. Alright, perfect.
Wait, down. Now we can make up some speed.
A little bit. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so here we are right now. Here's the
Ice crossing.
Yep.
I don't think the ice can hold this Jeep.
No.
It's really like
Well, could you take it to here?
thick. Mm-hmm.
I'll try out here so I can make it up.
Oh no, oh no.
Oh, lucky. Make it up.
Oh no, oh no.
Plus there's a lot of ice over here, so.
Yeah, like right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, no problem. There we go, ready? See if I can make it up here. Yeah. I don't fall, whatever I do. No, I don't think I am.
Yeah, there you go.
Here we go.
Yeah, give her up this hill. Oh no. Oh no. Come on.
Come on. No, I think I'm still stuck. I have to back up and try again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. I'm just gonna try my best.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Snow bashing.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Oh, it's sliding.
Oh, I hear something. Anyways, we're almost off the trail here. We just need to make this hill here, and then we'll be off.
Yep, it is.
Yeah, running start, go.
Nice.
Then it should do.
Oh!
Oh no!
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. I almost slipped.
Oh, I love this Jeep.
Here we are, off the trail.
Go back inside.
Yeah.
Get this clean.
Yeah.
Good enough. Still nothing, eh?